Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Adam and Anna Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and I'm here with my co-host Adam. How are you doing today, Adam?
I'm doing great, Anna. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm wonderful. I'm so excited about today's topic.
Yes, today we're talking about Tell Me About Yourself. This is so important.
Exactly. Everyone asks this question. At work, with new friends, everywhere.
So true. Before we start, please like this episode and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe. We make new episodes every week just for you.
Perfect. Let's start learning together.
Adam, when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," what do you think first?
Oh, that's a great question. I think about my family, my job, and my hobbies.
Exactly. Let me tell you a little story. Last week, I met my neighbor for the first time.
Oh, really? What happened?
She said, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Tell me about yourself." I was so nervous. I didn't know what to say.
I understand that feeling. It's normal to feel nervous.
Yes, but then I remembered. Start simple. I said, "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a teacher."
That's perfect. Starting with your name and job is great.
Right. Then I said, "I live here with my husband. We have a cat."
Simple and friendly. Let me teach you some useful phrases for introducing yourself.
Great idea. First phrase is, "Hi, I'm." This is the most basic way to start.
Perfect. Second phrase, I'm from. Tell people where you come from.
Third phrase, "I work as," or "I'm a." Share your job or what you study.
Fourth phrase, I live in or I live with. Talk about your home.
Fifth phrase, "I like," or "I enjoy." Share your hobbies or interests.
And last one, nice to meet you. Always end with this friendly phrase.
These phrases are so useful. Let me ask you, Adam, how do you introduce yourself?
Good question. I usually say, Hi, I'm Adam. I'm from London. I work as a podcast host.
That's clear and simple. What about your family or hobbies?
I might add, I live with my wife and 2 kids. I love reading books and playing football.
Perfect example. Now let's practice. Can you make one sentence using these phrases?
Sure. Hi, I'm John. I'm from Canada. I work as a doctor and I enjoy cooking.
Excellent. That tells us so much about John in just one sentence. Now, let's talk about family. This is another important part of introducing yourself.
Absolutely. Family is very important to most people. Let me share a story about this.
I'd love to hear it.
Last month, I was at a coffee shop. A young man sat next to me and we started talking.
Oh, that's nice. What did you talk about?
He asked about my family. I felt so happy to share. I said, I have a wife and 2 children.
That's sweet. How did he respond?
He smiled and said, That's wonderful. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. We're a big family.
I love stories like this. Family brings people together.
Exactly. Now, let me share some family phrases that are super useful.
Yes, please. These will help our listeners a lot.
First phrase, I have. Use this to talk about family members. I have 2 brothers.
Great. Second phrase, I'm married or I'm single. Talk about your relationship status.
Third phrase, my family is. Describe your family. My family is small or my family is big.
Fourth phrase, I live with. Say who you live with. I live with my parents.
Fifth phrase. My mom, dad, sister works as. Talk about family jobs.
And sixth phrase, we're very close. This means your family loves each other very much.
These phrases are so helpful. Anna, can you tell me about your family using these phrases?
Of course. I'm married. I have one sister and two brothers. My family is medium-sized.
That sounds lovely. Do you live with your husband?
Yes, I live with my husband. We don't have children yet, but we have a cat named Fluffy.
Pets are family too. That's so sweet.
Exactly. Now let's practice. How would you describe a family with mom, dad, and 3 kids?
Good question. I would say it's a big family. They have 3 children. The parents work hard.
Perfect. You used the phrases naturally.
Now, let's talk about hobbies and interests. This makes conversations fun and interesting.
I love this part. Hobbies show what kind of person you are. Let me tell you about my friend Maria.
Please do.
Maria is very shy. When people ask, "Tell me about yourself," she gets nervous about talking.
Oh, I understand. Many people feel that way.
But when she talks about her hobbies, she becomes so excited and happy.
What are her hobbies?
She loves painting and gardening. Her eyes light up when she talks about her flowers.
That's beautiful. Hobbies make us happy and help us connect with others.
Exactly. When you talk about what you love, people see the real you.
So true. Let's learn some hobby phrases that everyone can use.
Great. First phrase, I love. Talk about things you really enjoy. I love swimming.
Second phrase, I enjoy. Similar to I love, but a little softer. I enjoy reading.
Third phrase, I'm interested in. Use this for new hobbies. I'm interested in cooking.
Fourth phrase, in my free time, I. Perfect for describing what you do for fun.
Fifth phrase, I'm good at. Talk about skills you have. I'm good at dancing.
And sixth phrase, I'd like to try. Mention new things you want to do.
These phrases are fantastic. Adam, what do you love doing in your free time?
I love playing football with my friends. I also enjoy reading mystery books.
That sounds fun. Are you good at football?
I'm okay. I'm not professional, but I have fun. I'd like to try tennis someday, too.
Perfect. You used 4 different phrases naturally.
Thanks. Now, Anna, can you tell me about something you're interested in?
Sure. I'm interested in photography. In my free time, I take pictures of nature.
That's wonderful. Let's practice with our listeners. How would you describe someone who loves music and plays guitar?
I would say he loves music, he's good at playing guitar, he enjoys singing, too.
Excellent. That gives us a clear picture of this musical person.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Great idea. We talked about 3 main parts of introducing yourself.
First, basic introduction. Remember, hi, I'm from, I work as, and nice to meet you.
Second, family. Use phrases like I have, I'm married or single, my family is, and I live with.
Third, hobbies and interests. Say, I love, I enjoy, I'm interested in, and in my free time, I...
These key phrases help you talk about yourself easily and naturally.
Remember, start simple. You don't need to tell your whole life story.
Exactly. Share your name, where you're from, what you do, and what you enjoy. That's enough.
Well, that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to Adam and Anna podcast.
We hope this episode helps you introduce yourself with confidence.
Please like this episode if it was helpful and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons every week.
We have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, what's your favorite hobby and why do you love it? We love reading your comments. They help us make better episodes for you.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.